Sawadee ka. I'm here at Gabriel's place, and he is an awesome, really cool, inspiring guy who's like into NFTs, been through the tech world, a beautiful singer and writer, and I can't wait to share him with you. So let's go do a Thai takeover. Ready to tie things up? Ooh.
Hello. Hi, Nikky. How are you?
Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka.
How are you?
Oh, it's so good to see you.
Welcome.
Oh, look at this awesome island.
Yeah.
I feel like we'd have like a dance party on here. Let's go check your fridge.
Uh-oh. All right. Let's see what my kids left in here.
This is so beautiful though. Look at how beautiful it is. Super stocked. Did you do this for me? Is this normal?
This is normal. This is actually a little less than what's in there.
No way. Okay, we have cilantro, green onions, cheeses, not really Thai.
I have to have a lot of cheese at all times.
For the kids, right?
No, for me.
This is a true Thai kitchen right here. Prepared sticky rice for households with boys. And then, you know, always my go-to. Ooh, haven't done this in a while. Are you cool with eggs?
Yeah, I like eggs. I love them.
Okay, we have an idea. You ready to tie things up?
I'm ready to do this.
I'm so excited. Okay.
I'm hungry already.
I'm so glad. Have you eaten anything today?
No.
No? Then I'm so glad that I'm here.
I came prepared.
You came prepared. This is our inspiration of the day. And you know what I think is so awesome is because the name of this dish is Kai Luk Koey, which actually means Kai Luk Koey. That's perfect.
Thank you.
It actually means son-in-law. So in a way, I know like we're not really connected, but I feel like you're like part of the family.
Yeah.
So we're gonna boil up the eggs. Super simple recipe, boiling up the eggs. So I'm just gonna teach you some tricks on how to boil eggs. So we're gonna do like a 6.5 minute egg. Okay. We're gonna wait for this water to boil. I'm gonna put a little salt in it. It actually helps with the peeling. So as this boils up, I'm going to add our salt, probably about a teaspoon. Now we have a rolling boil.
Right.
I'm like scared to like throw them in because I'm gonna break them. This might take a while.
That's fair. I have one of those.
Oh no, this is awesome. I might have broke one, but we'll see.
It's all right. You're not having fun
You got
unless
a
you break
timer.
a few eggs.
I agree.
Yeah.
You ready to set a timer?
Sure.
Let's do it. 6.5 minutes.
6.5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 6.5 minutes.
Thank you, Alexa.
6 minutes and 30 seconds, starting now.
30 seconds.
Thank you.
Would you like to begin your day with a positive affirmation from
Yes!
Sure,
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Chill. My daily mindset can help you with that. Did you want to enable it?
No, thank you.
Okay, can you give me a positive affirmation?
Life is wonderful, regardless of what happens. So always look for the good in everyone and everything, right? There's a Jason Mraz song about that.
I was just listening to it last night.
I love that
Actually, this morning, not last night, in the car with my kids. Be thankful, be
Look for
grateful.
the good in everyone.
Yeah. Do you have a song about eggs?
I don't think I've song about eggs.
I'm gonna put you on a spot. Is it time to pull out the guitar?
Thai takeover Tuesday. We making some food today. Thai takeover Tuesday. We making some Thai food today.
Okay, the one thing I'm gonna probably have you help with, we just need to slice it up,
Slice it.
like into strips. Like as if you were putting it in a salad. I saw a lot of onions in your kitchen of all different kinds. Do you do a lot of the cooking?
No, ma'am. I'm not.
You're so
I do a lot of the
lucky.
eating.
And you're into this all new crypto, NFTs that I'm learning
Yes.
about. It's kind of really interesting.
The speed with which the whole community and the technology and the approach to everything is evolving is way fast. So
Right.
it's cool. The innovation, the possibilities.
I think that's Alexa telling us that the eggs are ready. So I'm gonna move them into a bowl of cold water. And that is beautifully done, sir.
You just want the half?
The half is plenty. The easiest ways, I personally don't love to peel eggs when it's super hard, but sometimes I get impatient. So the key is to cool them down, let them hang out, and then I have a really awesome tip on how to peel them without the frustration. Okay.
Alrighty.
The eggs are nice and cool. You want to touch them so you can know what cool. Pretty cool.
Ooh, those are nice. Those are nice eggs.
They're nice eggs. Okay, I love it. So I'm putting a little bit of water in there, putting an egg in there, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake the peel off.
Shake the peel off. Okay. You go first.
Me go first.
Oh, I think you're playing a joke on me. How many times do I shake? How long do I shake?
You will shake it until you can see the peel come off.
Okay.
So you can also get your aggravation out. Ooh.
Peeling.
You need,
going.
right? I think mine's pretty. I think you're good.
Oh, okay.
Really, I mean, you're like a better shaker than I am. Now let's see who's gonna peel a better egg.
All right. How much did I win?
Ooh.
Uh-oh, I think I broke my egg. Oh, maybe not. Wow.
Is that not so pretty?
It's like Owen Wilson. Wow. 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 I just peeled the egg. Wow. See,
Yours is perfect.
It's one of those tips.
One of those tips.
I love it.
Okay. You know the thing that chefs talk about often, like if you don't know how to handle eggs, you're not like it's like the gateway on like chef training.
Really?
How to make like perfect omelets, how to perfect boiled eggs, perfect fried eggs.
I hadn't heard that, but it makes sense.
It makes sense.
And is that because they're such a fragile food item? So you got to figure. Yeah. All right. You
Very
gotta know how to handle
scientific too, right? There's a lot of things you have to think about. Why do you have to put salt, cold, hot, vinegar? Like there's so many tricks and tips that you can do with it to make them softer, harder, you know, really fun. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's
So,
see how this turns out.
right?
Yeah.
So water and oil don't mix. So definitely as we are heating up our pan, we have enough oil, probably to like barely cover it, but we're gonna stir it anyway. Yeah.
So far, so good.
Okay, can you dry the rest for me?
Sure.
I wonder how this frying is gonna do to like the little yolky situation in the middle, because we're kind of like extra cooking it at this point. I think they're ready. What do you think?
They look golden
They
and
look
delicious
very
to
golden.
me.
Now we're gonna take them out. They're beautifully golden. What I'm gonna do before we take the oil out, the beautiful onions that you just cooked,
Ooh, cook them in the
cut.
same oil. All right.
I am. So we do have to be a little bit careful with this one because there's, you know. Ooh. So another option other than onions or purple onions is shallots.
Okay.
We use a lot of shallots in Thai cooking. Okay, we're now gonna take them out. So from this point on, I would say 5 minutes, we're gonna have a meal for you. So here we go. I'm going in with some pad Thai sauce. I'm gonna make extra so that you can have this, because you can actually make it, reduce it, and save it for later.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, and because this sauce is probably more on the sweeter side, this is our pad Thai sauce. And I'm just gonna add just a tiny bit of our stir fry sauce to like contrast the sweetness, tone it down, make it a little bit saltier. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. Might take out the crunch, but we're adding a little bit like gooiness stick to it. I'm gonna let it hang and cool right in here. Oh, so pretty.
That is pretty.
We're gonna compose this dish now. Can you cut them in half for me?
I can.
Yes.
You want it long ways or?
Yeah, long ways. Ooh, it's still a little runny. Ooh. I'm so excited.
Those look good.
They look so awesome. And I can hear the crunch when you're cutting into them. And now this beautiful, oh, it's so pretty. It's still warm.
Looks good.
Yeah. And then,
What else?
how about some cilantro leaves?
cilantro?
Yes.
How much you need?
Just a few. We got, and then because this is for us, and you said you like spicy,
I do like some
you know,
spice.
those chilies that we found in your freezer. You hungry now?
I'm hungry
You
still.
like starving. Okay, you can dig in.
Yeah?
Dig in, yes.
All right.
What's the taste like you?
Wow.
Thank y'all
you.
so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. Until next time, thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay.